on, YouTube? I feel like exploring today, so that's what we're finna do. Hopefully y'all doing good though. Let me know if it's snowing out where y'all at right now, because it is January 11th and we still ain't got no snow. I think it was snowing earlier today, but it stopped though. I think it's supposed to snow tomorrow too, but you know, they can't even predict the weather, so I don't even know if that's actually gonna happen though. But yeah, let me know if y'all getting snow where y'all at. And it was hot like a couple days ago, but now it's cold as fuck. I think it's probably like, let me see. It's just the wind that's just making it cold. Let me see what the weather is. It's 32. Yeah, it's good though, but it's just like the wind is just making it extra cold. I feel like driving today like this, you feel me? Usually I don't drive like this because it's so uncomfortable. But you know, there's always time for something new, you feel me? I decided to, you know what I'm saying, why not try it today? And so far it's comfortable, not gonna lie. So that's how we're gonna rock out today. We're gonna do this for the, I guess, the rest of the POV, depends how I go. But let's go to places. I mean, I've been there before, but I've never went, what you call it, this way. Usually I'm coming from that way. I'm not going to that place. So let's see. That a Mustang? It is. It is. I think I turn right here. I'm not sure. I thought it was right there. Hey, my toes is freezing. What the fuck? Is it you right here? Bro, I'm tripping, bro. Nah, that's somebody's yard. That's somebody's driveway, folks. Is it right here? Bro, I am so lost. Is it right here? Hell no. It don't look like it's right here. What the fuck is that? I'm tripping right now, bro. Hell no. I guess, I think I could have went right here. Bro, I could have went right there. I know, right there. I guess let's follow this car. Hopefully I can see though, the sun is in the way. Can y'all see? I guess I'll lean back for this one. Oh, I think I know here. I mean, I've been here before. I think I know here. Yeah, it's right here. I think it's right here. Yep, it is. Damn, nigga. Wow, this nigga's so close to my bumper, bro. Feels like I got no errors or mistake. I can't make no mistake because the nigga's so close. Alright, you know what, bro? I'm gonna just sit like this, bro, and relax, because I'm not relaxed, bro. I can see though, so don't worry. The sun ain't really hurting me. I can see. But I remember when I started talking in the videos, bro. The one always the best. also remember when I used to think to myself like, bro, people that talk to themselves like weird. But look at me. It's like niggas that even they do YouTube. People that do YouTube in general, you basically gotta talk to yourself. That shit. You talking to yourself but to a camera. Do I go? Yeah, I think I go straight. If you ever watched the video, y'all probably know here. I probably do know this place, but hey, still gonna go and figure it out. I can go over there though and see. Should I? You know what? Fuck it, bro. I don't got no car behind me, so fuck it. Fuck it, bro. I can't see no car, yo. Fuck it, we gonna explore today. I ain't never been here before though, but let's see. I feel like I know where this is going. Hidden entrance, what the fuck? Alright, let's see. Don't take me to some of the yard, bro. Hidden entrance. Hey, we exploring the mountains today. How long did it take y'all to what the fuck is this? Bro, what the fuck is this road, bro? Oh hell nah. I can go there or I can go here. I'm lost though. 45. Fuck it. I'll go right. When in doubt, always turn right. How long did it take y'all to pass your test though? I think it took me like it took me first try. That shit was too easy. I ain't bragging on that, but you know what I'm saying? That shit was too easy, fam. Oh, I think I know here. That's a stop sign? Oh, look. Damn, I'm really so tough, bro. I know here now. See, like I said, when in doubt, turn right. Indeed, I was right. Turn right. If I went left, I don't know where the fuck I was gonna be at. But hey, let's go exploring, bro. I think I know over here. Yeah, I do. I'll stay in here too. Hey, man, I'm proud of myself, bro. But that's whenever you feel like you lost, always turn right. Just keep turning right. Always turn right. Right ain't finna lead you wrong. You feel me? Left, on the other hand, you know what I'm saying? It's unpredictable. You don't even know. It could be good, it could be bad. Who knows? But all I know is it's left. You feel me? We're probably gonna go down this shit for a little bit. If I get bored, I'll probably just turn around. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully y'all doing good though, if I didn't already say that. Y'all doing good, y'all doing great. Enjoying life. New Year's. New Year's, new y'all. Cause new year, new me. I feel it. You know what I'm saying? You know, recent years I wasn't really feeling the New Year's, new me bullshit. You feel me? I feel like I was like, bro, it's another day. You know what I'm saying? I didn't really feel anything about it, but I don't know. As soon as the year hit, or before the year, I just felt something. I was like, bro, my life gotta change, bro. I can't. You know what I'm saying? I can't be living life with regrets in all aspect of my life. I can't be doing that. So I decided, you know what I'm saying? Why not? Just level up my life. Oh God, you feel me? I'll go straight for a little bit. Let's see. This place is so tough. I think I'm gonna stop at 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't gonna talk though. I think this channel, I might just make it like an ASMR or some shit, you feel me? Hopefully I can hear me though, cause the wind is bad. But I think I might make it like an ASMR or some shit. But I'm gonna talk here and there though, but it's just gonna be mainly like ASMRs. Cause y'all clearly enjoy the ASMRs more, you feel me? That shit. You know, so I gotta practice the art of, you know what I'm saying? Abstinence. I think that's one of the art, you feel me? The 48 powers laws. I think that's the name of it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna bring y'all. ASMRs and other shit. So yeah, let's stay tuned though. I think I'm gonna end this video off right here. I'm gonna go back on though, cause I don't wanna get lost. I mean, I could just go straight and just find out, but you know what I'm saying? That's enough exploring for me today. I just wanna go back on and shit. So, yeah, no turn. It says no turn. Fuck that, bro. Fuck that. But yeah, I'll catch y'all though. Peace. Let me give you a pull. There's nobody behind me. Let me give you a pull. Let me sport more. What the fuck is on the road? Is that a branch? Hold on, let me pass over here, bro. What the fuck is that? That's a dead branch. Alright. I felt like that car was about to break because I ain't never did that shit before. But yeah, I catch y'all though.